Welcome to online classes of Sandhurst School. Let me introduce myself. I am myself Ruchi Saxena and I am going to teach you English literature of class first. How are you? I hope you all will be fine in your home. But now this is the time of study. So we come back towards our study. And this is your third chapter. The elephant and the mice. What is this? This is elephant. What is this? This is mice. This is a little story about elephant and mice. Which animal is more powerful between these two? Yes, elephant. But mice is also powerful. How it is? We will see during the chapter. Elephant was more powerful. He wanted to show his power to mice. But when the time comes, then mice also show his power to elephant. Now students, we come to the book. This is your English literature book. Open page number 17. Lesson 3. The elephants and the mice. Please turn the page. Now put your finger and repeat after me. A long time ago, some mice lived happily in a colony in the forest. There was a big lake located near their colony. What was there? This is the story of long time ago. Some mice were living in the colony and in the forest. There was a lake near the colony. See, mother, may I dive into the lake? Who is asking this question? Mice is asking this question. Oh, the water is so cold and fresh. Another mice is saying, water is very cold and fresh. Next line. One day, a herd of elephants came to the lake to drink water. Who came? A herd of elephants. One day, a herd of elephants came to the lake to drink water. Herd means group of elephants. On their way to the lake, the elephants trampled many small mice under their big, heavy feet. The king of mice decided to meet the chief of the elephants. The king of mice decided to meet the head of the elephants. After all, he was in charge of his people. After all, he was the head of the people. So, this was his duty to take out the solution of that problem. The king of the mice went to the chief of elephants and requested him to take another route to the lake. The king of mice, he asked to the chief of elephants, the head of the elephants, he requested that they should take another route to the lake. The chief of the elephants was very kind. The head was very kind. He listened the problem and wanted to take out the solution of the problem. The elephants are big land animals. What do you want, O king of the mice? The elephants asked the question to the mice. He wanted to take out the solution of the problem. Your elephants have killed hundreds of my mice. My mice are afraid to go to the lake because every time when the elephants came to the lake, he said that the elephant have killed hundreds of the mice. So they should change the route of the lake. Turn the page. Please take a different route to the lake. We mice will be ever so thankful. The mice said, if they take another route, he will be very much thankful to them. The chief of the elephants accepted the request of the mice. Accepted means said yes. He said yes for the request of the mice. Thank you, kind sir. We are indeed very thankful to you. We also promise to help you in the hour of your need. He said that whenever there will be any kind of need, he will also help them in their need. The elephant chief and all his court laughed and laughed. Elephant chief, the head of the elephant, as well as the other elephants also laughed. Why they laughed? You mice are so small. How can you help us giants? We thank you for the offer though. They laughed because the mice are very small. So how can they help them while they are very, very big? One day, a group of elephant hunters came in the forest and trapped the elephants in big and strong nets. One day, a group of elephant hunters came in the forest and trapped the elephants in big and strong nets. Who came? Elephant hunters. Hunters means those who kill animals. They catch the animals and they kill. So they trapped means caught the elephants in big and strong nets. The elephants struggled hard to free themselves and shouted for help. While the elephants were very big, they tried their hard to free themselves and shouted for help. But they could not do like this. They shouted, help, help. A small mouse saw the elephants trapped in the nets and ran to inform his king. Same time, from another side, a small mouse saw the elephants in the nets and he ran to inform his king. The mice king immediately took some of his strongest mice with him to rescue the herd. Same time, without delaying any single minute, the mice king immediately took his best mice, strongest mice, to rescue the herd. Rescue means to save the herd of elephants. The mice quickly nibbled the thick net from different places, making it loose enough to set the elephants free. Nibbled means chewed, cut. The mice immediately cut the thick net from different places and made them free from the net. Chew, chew with all your might, my mice, and I will set this right. One mice is telling to another, do fast and show your full power to cut this net. While the king of the mice and the other mice proved their loyalty, king of the mice and another mice also, they showed their loyalty towards the elephants. The elephants learnt about humility. Then they learnt about the humility. Humility means the quality that we should not think about others, that they are not better than us. At last they told, I am sorry, O king of the mice. You are indeed the bravest and most helpful friend. All the elephants of the forest thank you. The elephants, they showed their gratitude to the mice and they told thank you for their helping nature. Now listen about the author. These are the stories of Vishnu Sharma from Panchtantra. Always he has written about animals and birds. So, did you listen the story properly? Now go through the story as well as difficult words of the story. And the moral is also there that you should not judge anyone by their size. I hope you all have purchased the books. If not purchased, then purchase as soon as possible. That's all about today's class. Next class we will meet with some exercises and other things.